rooster. Okay, you needed things are a paper, colored paper, a pair of scissors and glue. Now let's start. Take a rectangular shaped colored paper and fold one corner of it towards the center of the paper. Cut the edges along the folded paper and you get a square shaped paper. Take a square shaped paper, fold one side of the paper into half towards the center. Now do the same on the other side of the paper. Fold it into half. Mark the center of the line. It looks like a rocket. Now open it out again and press the paper in the middle. Twist the back of the rocket shaped paper upwards. Twist it upwards and press it out. So you get a line, a mark in the middle. Open out the paper again and fold the paper along the center line. With your finger in between of the middle line, in between the paper, the shape, it should look like the shape of a boat. Now press it out neatly. The corners should meet each other. Turn the edge of the paper, the tip of the paper, to make a head for the rooster. Now the head is ready. Cut a small heart-shaped paper and stick it on the head of the rooster. Put some glue and stick it on the top of the rooster. Now that's the cock's comb. And another paper can be, heart-shaped paper can be stuck at the side of the face of the rooster. Take a sketch and mark the eye of the rooster. Wow, now your origami rooster is ready. Wow, see how beautiful the rooster you made.